Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're excited to demonstrate for you today, this is an Inoxpa pump. It's Spanish made actually in Europe. This particular pump has a heated cover, which you see the two inlets there, flood the outer cavity which heats the front of the pump if you're doing anything hot. We've fabricated a new stainless base with washdown duty casters for it, equipped it with a new Euro drive. It's running at the maximum speed the pump can achieve right now at 900 RPM. So you remove the guard there, check direction and stuff. We're operating on 220 single phase voltage through this WEG AC frequency control. It is a NEMA 4X washdown duty. Nice touchscreen control. You can see it's operating at 60 Hertz. It does slow down very easy with touch. We're going to bring it back up to maximum capacity. We'll actually go beyond 60. You really don't want to do that. It's going beyond. We've mechanically equipped the pump to run at 902 RPM, which is 2 RPM over the maximum. A nice little push handle, transport around in use. Seals are excellent, no leaks, beautiful, working perfectly. You can see clearly in there. A little recirculating tank we use for testing our pumps. This is the 020 model. Inoxpa, very good manufacturer from Spain, well represented here in the US. We have lots of pumps in our stock and do offer rebuilding on most of them should you be interested. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.